Good afternoon, Pep. Ben at Sky. I don't know if you saw or heard the quotes from Ernesto Valverde, who suggested that you've acted improperly by speaking to Frankie de Jong when he was contracted at Ajax. Do you think you've done anything wrong in that situation?
No answer. No answer that. Ernesto is my friend, so no problem at all. So de Jong is play Ajax, will be Barcelona. Finish. I don't want to talk about that. It's over. So it's not our players, it's not our business. So now it's focusing Newcastle game. So first of all, I'm not involved in the negotiations about the players. I give my opinion, and we do our best. And I'm so satisfied. The club is incredible, working perfect, and sometimes the players come, sometimes go in another place. That's normal. It's not the first time it happened. It's not the last time it's going to happen. So it's no problem at all. So